Hello everyone, here is another tutorial on presidential elections that have just been held in Kenya, and this is how you will get your live stream results. You only need this link and you will get live updates. So I'll go straight away to my browser, then I'll paste in the link. It is there, https, you have those colons, /elections.nation.africa/ there, s is equals to 08, and then click go if you are using a mobile phone, or enter on your computer. Now you land to this page. It is run by Nation. You will see Kenya elections 2022. Right now it is 2 minutes past 8 p.m. I can see Azimio, that's Raila Odinga, is having 57.49% of the votes cast. That is 13,041 votes. Second in position, you can see how the updates are actually live. William Ruto 42%, those are 9,537%, and the rest of the candidates. So these are provisional results, and you also have official results there. So these are official results, 00 votes basing on the IEBC updates. And then for provisional ones, they are there. So you can shift using the tab